Navigating the grey areas of planning law and keeping up to date with the swathes of legislation can be very difficult because of how overwhelming it all may seem. Whether you have chicken sheds, a glamping business, or perhaps some sort of mobile work unit on your land, it's vital that you check if you need planning permission. Key issue is to decide whether a structure comprises a building operation or a use of land. What constitutes a building operation has been the subject of case law, with sometimes conflicting conclusions. Therefore, the issue is one in which each case will turn on its individual facts. The three criteria relating to this matter are size, permanence, and physical attachment to the ground. Many people believe that the size of a structure relates directly to whether it can be brought already made to the site. However, this is not always the case. For example, large chicken sheds on skids have been determined by the courts to be buildings on the grounds of their size and permanence. Structures and their permanence are now being considered in terms of significance in the planning context. So, for example, a marquee erected for 8 months of the year to cater for weddings can be considered to be permanent. The question of whether your structure is able to be moved freely around your land, or whether it is in fact the subject of a degree of physical attachment to the ground, will be key to deciding the planning status of the structure. For example, if the poles that hold up a large Spanish polytunnel or a marquee are driven down into the ground, then this may lead to a determination that the structure is in fact a building and requires planning permission. If you're unsure if any of these examples affect you or have follow-up questions about planning and structures, you can read the CLA's latest guidance note by clicking the video. You can also speak to your regional team for more one-on-one member advice.